The COVID-19 vaccine may be on the way, but some are reluctant to take it, especially in communities of color. That's driven by inequities in healthcare, but also a history of unethical experimentation on minorities. Here in Chicago, they're trying to build trust one door at a time. CBS's Charlie DeMar has the story.
Mask, sanitizer.
In Chicago's Belmont-Cragen neighborhood, there's a street-level effort to save lives. It's happening at grocery stores and in neighborhoods. COVID infections here, with its fast-growing Latino population, among the highest in Chicago.
Good morning.
1 in 5 tests were positive last week, almost double the rate for the entire city.
I did not know that around here it was one of the highest. I did not know.
Volunteers like Glenda Rivera know the danger.
Our rates, our numbers are really sad. And it's awareness. We have to have awareness.
She's going door to door, armed with hand sanitizer, a mask, and some basic COVID-19 information, and she doesn't even live in this neighborhood.
And I'm one that normally tears up, but I don't have one. Sad.
It's emotional for you.
Yes, it is.
Since the start of the pandemic, communities of color have been devastated by the virus. Some possible reasons: Latinos more likely to work essential jobs and at home, live in close quarters where social distancing nearly impossible, and for the undocumented, some fear that seeking a test could lead to deportation. The outreach effort came from the mayor's office, part of the city's racial equity rapid response team.
We do think that what we're doing is making a difference.
But the legwork comes from community groups like the Northwest Side Housing Center. James Rudick is the executive director.
We're really trying to break through that distrust with trusted messengers that are community residents that are able to, speak real, right, and speak freely and talk to folks about what's really going on. Sometimes we get lost in the numbers.
We want to be prepared locally.
Chicago Department of Public Health Commissioner Allison Arwady says the pandemic continues to expose social inequities.
I hope, not just here in Chicago, but across the country, we won't forget these lessons that we're learning in COVID, that outbreaks look for cracks in society.
Why is it so emotional for you?
Because I know a lot of personal people that have passed away because of that. It seems like they're the forgotten ones.
Is that why you do this?
Absolutely.
Trying to make a difference one door at a time. Charlie DeMar, CBS News, Chicago.